Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just finished doing all of the back of my hair and the front of my hair. I'm just going to turn for you guys. So I'm going to just do a tutorial with you guys for the front of my hair. Well, just the front side. I just wanted to have the side part with this part full, like this. I didn't mean to do this much. I didn't want it this big, but it's already done. This took me, this area took me, what was done so far took me about 2 hours. This should take me about 30 minutes. So I'm going to do this part on camera so you guys can watch. And so if you guys want to do this look at home, it's really easy and it lasts a while. It's a great protective hairstyle for natural hairs, you know, even women who get relaxers. But yeah, so let's get to it. Also guys, just wanted to show you the hair that I'm using. It's $5 for this pack of hair. It's called the Cuban twist braid. The hair is very thick. It's very thick. And you can also use one piece of hair, which is great. It's so thick that you can use one piece. I'm going to show you guys. See, this is one piece of hair. This hair is, you know, it's nice. But if you want thicker, thicker braids, some of them I use 2 pieces of hair. But if you want thicker, you can use 2. It's fine. Alright, so I'm also going to use jam. Okay. I don't know where my hair clip is. your parts, but well, other people may want their parts to be straight, but me, when I do my Marley twists, I don't really care if my parts are straight or neat. It's just the look. I feel it's just so natural. You just do, like, I do whatever. I think it just makes it more attractive that way. But yeah, I just I don't really care how straight my parts are. But you see that one, it's not that straight, but it is what it is. And I don't have a mirror. I just have my camera right here, which is cool. I can see, it helps me see. So I'm going to talk one through. So I'm taking the hair, guys, right? Okay, guys, so I have the hair. And as you can see, I took my one part, which I'm about to do. So you have one part, right? Let me just... So, you see I have this part of hair right here. I'm going to part that in the middle with my finger, because this middle part is where the hair is going to lay. Alright, so I'm going to put this hair right here in the middle. So the right side, I'm going to twist that going to my left. Alright, I want to twist it going this way. Alright, so I have that locked. I don't want my edges in here, so I'm going to just do that with my finger. Okay, and then this side, my left side, I'm going to have that also going to my left side. Alright, you're going to do it to the left. Twist to the left. So both sides are going to the left. So now I have two sides, right? So I'm going to take this side and lay it over this side. I'm going to take my left side, the left part, I'm sorry. I'm going to take the left side and put it over my right side, just like this. Okay? And you're going to continue to twist. I'm going to take some jam to put it right there. I'm going to continue to twist. The method could be confusing, but just listen to me and do it as I like do it when I'm telling you to do it, or do it with me, and you'll be fine. And you're like, oh, okay, and then you'll get it over time, and it'll be like second nature. Even sometimes now I get confused, like, wait, what? But I'm just letting that go a little bit because it could get tight. Get a little tight on me. Yeah, and then you continue to twist, guys. Continue to twist down. Alright guys, so my daughter wants to say hi. Yes you do. Come here. Let's fix your eyebrows first of all. Stop. Come on, you wanna say hi or not? You gotta stand up though. You gotta stand up. Stand up.
Ouch.
Say hi.
Yeah.
Say hi. Alright, get out then. Unless you wanna be shy. So this is the finished look, guys. I have the, as you can see, I have the side part. So the only thing that I have to do left with these is dip them. I have to dip them in hot water, and that's gonna make them actually longer and straighter. But I'm about to go up, go to the movies in the freezing cold, so I'm not gonna do that right now. But I'm just gonna let you guys see. Okay, so this is the finished look. What I love about Marley twists, they're so light, they're not heavy at all. I love to wear them up in a bun. Well, when that time comes, it's not tight. I don't like to do my hair. I try not to do my hair tight. But yeah, I like to wear it up in a bun. This hairstyle I'm gonna wear mostly down like this because of the side part and like the look that I wanted to have, like the look that I wanted to do. I don't have my yes, guys, but this is a finished look. I hope you guys like it. I hope that I explained it to you guys. I have other videos up here. I think I have one other Marley twist video. Yes, but if I don't, you guys can just refer back to this one. But yeah, I like it. I think it's really cute. It's a protective style. I've been working out a lot, so this works for me. Okay, up and out the door. Just got to do my makeup, you know, my little eyebrows and my lashes sometimes and my lips. And this is so look. So guys, please like and subscribe to my channel. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to put it in the comment section.